We're going to discuss the health benefits of eating cabbage. 1. Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Health benefits of it include 1. It contains high level of potassium, which helps in regulation of blood pressure and maintenance of good heart health. 2. It helps in reduction of cholesterol level in the body. It contains soluble fiber and plant steroid, which helps in reduction of cholesterol in the body. 3. It serves as an excellent source of vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting. 4. It improves digestion. It contains insoluble fiber, which helps in keeping the digestive enzyme healthy and also maintenance of bowel movement. 5. It serves as an antioxidant, that is, it helps in reduction of inflammatory processes.